Come along as I create this look. Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Jill, and this is Jill Style. If this is your first time here, I do home decor, fashion, and lifestyle. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then stick around. If you are already part of the JS family, hugs and blessings. Hugs and blessings to you guys. So, you guys, today it is 90 degrees. I don't like it. That's too hot for me. So I was in the house just piddling around and I was going through one of my books and I was inspired to change the look of my living room a little bit by what I saw in this book. So I thought I'd take you guys along with me. So grab a beverage and a snack and we're going to do this thing. But before we do, if you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing. And please, 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 to all my JS family, share me out because I'm not getting pushed out there. If they won't push me, then we'll do it. So if you guys would share my videos, if you have Facebook, share it to Facebook, whatever platform you may have, share it. And I greatly appreciate you. So anyway, so let's get into this video. So you guys, this is the before. I wanted you to see what it looked like before and how we're just going to tweak it just a little to change the look. Okay, guys, so I think I'm done. I really never know because I'll walk through here and go, and I'll tweak some things. But for now, I kind of like this. This is something new, something fresh. And guess what? It's free.com. It was free.com. And I was inspired to create this look by this book here. We all have coffee table books. We all get circulars or magazines if you're into home decor. And I get inspired by a lot of things that I see in those. So don't just look at it and throw them away, but be inspired by some of the designs that they have. And while I'm talking about that, before I close, I wanted to share with you guys, just the other day, I meant to save that circular because I wanted to share it with you guys, but I think I threw it away. But anyway, we have a Value City Furniture, and one of our YouTube sisters was in their circular, and I was so excited. When I tell you I was excited, guess who it was? Kiva Brits. Kiva Brits. I was excited as if I knew her personally. I do follow her on YouTube, and I like her style. I like what she does, and she's awesome. And she gets a lot of things from Value City. Anyway, if you haven't checked out Kiva Brits, check her out. That's everything that I had to share today. But I hope you saw something that inspired you to create new looks. You know what I like to say. I love you from your toes to your soul. And until next time, stay safe and blessed. Bye, guys.